didn't like that. Alright, well, looked like my stream dropped for a second there. Okay, um, let's see. I'm wary of this. Let's see if it actually downloads something correctly. Yeah, it looks like the right one. Oh, that's a fast one. So that's good. Oh, this thing's tiny. It's small. It's like cute. Alright, open. Open, open, open. Are you opening? Did I click too fast? Did I pretty quick? Yeah. Oh, okay, there we go. Now it says opening. What did you do? Interesting. It always makes me nervous when I click on something, it says it's opening and then it doesn't. Mercy. Hey, I think I know you. Whoa, hello. Ah, haha. Okay. It just took a while for that to run. Whoa, I don't want to run you twice. Okay, so I get this funky screen. This is a lovely UI, obviously written by a programmer. Okay, let's see. Install client, install server, extract. Whoa, hello. Here, let me get my browser out of the way. Okay, but I don't want to. Okay. Okay, so mod loader. I think what we want to do is extract. Because I don't have. Well, you know what I can do? No, I don't want to do that. It's going to take too long to install a whole Minecraft to do this. Alright, so I'm doing the. I'm going to stay the course. Why? No, I don't want to extract it there. That's a silly place to extract it. I want it. Let's see, I do have my. Oh, never mind. Let's see. Go out to where I have. Well, I don't want to. Nope, nope, nope. Sorry, back up. I want to go to development. Thank you very much. Let's code. I want to put it parallel to this. I think. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to put a new directory in here. Just because I don't know if it's going to be like a low level extract to where it's going to like throw 1,000 things in a folder I don't want it to. So I'm going to say this is MC Loader. Yo, yo, I'm MC Loader. I'm going to do that, extract it out. See, I get this nice little message. Extract successful. Okay, I gotta get off this page here. Go away. Thank you. Okay, so let's check out what we got. What we get? What we get? Oh, well, I knew that. This is the forge. Yeah, yeah, okay. So the question is, what do we do with this? Alright, so there's a couple different things we can do. I can open this up with 7-zip. So 7-zip is a free multi compression tool. It gives you kind of like a WinZip type format of things. The cool thing is you can copy things back and forth between things. I think, if I remember right, I'm trying to remember. I think I want all of these files in my Minecraft jar. Let's try it. What's the worst that can happen, right? Just blow up and we have to start over. We didn't actually come that far, so copy all this. And so the other thing I'm going to do then is I'm going to go back to not Java, let's code into here, into the bin folder. So I've got a Minecraft jar, mod pack jar. What the hell? Huh. Oh. Oh, by the way, that's my Minecraft villager sound. Oh. You'll see that later. Let's open this one up with 7-zip as well. See, no, I'm not sure. I'm so confused. What were my instructions? Site, 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 site. Okay. Yeah, so I got universal. That probably was just the jar file, I bet. I bet you this just downloads the jar. Yep, sure enough. Yeah, discard it. I've already got it. So all that did was give me the mod loader jar. So what? Doesn't really tell me what to do. See. Yeah. No. What? That doesn't make any sense. Oh, okay. We find Minecraft Forge, and then run Minecraft Launcher and select a Forge profile. What? This is bizarre stuff, man. And you will need to right-click on your Start button, select Run, and type in Minecraft. Put the mod loader file into the mods folder, but don't extract it when you do so. Huh. Really? So I think I've done that already. So I don't know. Let's go back to our main instructions and see what it tells us to do at this point, because it's very strange. Okay, I've downloaded that. The download should be compressed folder containing several Java classes, like any other mod. Yeah, that's the old way though. This may need to be updated. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna go back and I'm gonna re-Google this a little bit different. So let's see. This is modding with Minecraft Forge 1.8. Let's see what we get here. Yeah. Skim. What is that video? Just image. Okay, whatever. La. Yeah, I know what it does. Okay, now here. Download the installer. Open the installer. Set this up. Okay. Hmm. Um, yeah. It's not really the information I was looking for. Modding tutorials. Okay. Alright. Right now, I'm a noob. Not really. I mean, I've written mods, but in the older versions. In the older versions, you would just copy everything from that first jar. From the, sorry. You would do all your decompiling first, and then you would take the Minecraft, or the, Minecraft Forge loader stuff, and then pop it into your jar file, which was basically a giant hack. But it's been like an improved hack, I guess. It's just the way modding's been done. It's like overwriting complete classes. Set up Minecraft Forge. Let's try that. For developer. Fast setup. Yes, we want that. Oh, advanced setups. Quick and dirty method. Yeah. Fast. Advanced several mods with one Forge workspace. Only one mod per workspace. We're only doing one mod. Each workspace has to be updated separately. Okay, I'm okay with that. Okay, first thing we do is download the correct version. Did that. On this one, it's like blah 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 blah. Now click download button. Got that. Wait a minute. Now click on the download button for the source. Ew. Oh. Huh. Okay. To do this, we'll go to Files Minecraft. There's a website. Okay, let me find. That's oh goody. It did pop me open a new tab. Well, this is gonna be a long video. I'm probably gonna have to break this video up a couple times. Maybe dub in a. This is the end of video 1. I'm gonna try and get these posted as videos so I don't have to go through all this again. I may actually do maybe reset this and figure out. Well, it's a let's code. I'm figuring it out as we go. So okay, 1.8. Download the latest source. Download recommended. See all downloads. Whoa. That's cool. I like what they did with their website. Let's do the recommended source. Another one of these things. Your software. Yeah, don't. See this? All this is junk. Don't click that start download. Look for the skip. There's my real download. Sneaky. Yes, sneaky. Evil. Alright. Okay, so now we've got this beauteous thing. Why, this looks just like our other one. Huh. This looks like a whole kit and caboodle for what I need. Let's go back to this fast setup, see what we're doing. Oh yeah, we're going to follow these instructions because this is going to get us exactly where we need to be. Okay. Now you have to, let's see, so download it, we extract it anywhere, and this is going to be root directory, name it Forge. Okay. Alright, so we're extracting this. So we're going to call let's just follow the instructions as written. We can always change stuff later. So under development, let's code, new folder, Forge. It's very crafty sounding. I like it. Okay. Okay. Now we have to open the command prompt in this directory. No problemo. Let's see if I can do this easily. Command prompt. La 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 la. Let's see. I want to go. I'm going to switch directory first. Clear. How do I do that on this? I did it. I hacked it. Okay. So I need to go to, where are we at anyway? Development. Development. Slash. No, I don't want the recycle bin. You silly goose. I want. Oh, I love you, Windows. Yeah, right? You can tell I've been a Unix user for a while. Forges Maximus. Okay. Now that we're in the Forge directory, what's our next step? We're going to Gradle W, set up decomp workspace. Okie dokie. Can I cut and paste this? Oh, look at that. But, no typey. Alright, our next hurry up and wait step. So, this is going to go through a bunch of different things and just basically pull it all apart. And at the end of this thing, and one of the things it's going to do, it's going to decompile some code. If this doesn't blow up at some point, I'm actually going to be a little surprised because it doesn't have the Minecraft resources. But maybe it doesn't need it anymore. I don't know. You know, these guys can. I swear they work on this stuff like 24/7. With the rate at which it moves. So lots of dots means it's doing something. I love how the terminal progress bar has now become just. I'm going to keep throwing dots on the screen and just spam the screen with dots. You know, where's Pac-Man when you need him? Alright. So this takes a little while. This is kind of a boring step. But when we're done with this, so I'm gonna leave this kind of filtering on the bottom as we look forward. Oh, it's gonna download it. Wait, really? This will run Forge installer. If we now get an error mentioning we haven't set Java home variable, we have to create a new one. Really? Dude, you suck. Let me go do. I'm gonna preemptively do that. Let's see if I can get to that quickly. System maybe. No. Oh, Windows 8. Well, now you see my rig setup. So I'm not using anything extraordinary. Matter of fact, I'm using, what I'd consider bare minimum for gigage. Ooh, I need to coin that phrase. Gigage. Mounting system protection, advanced system settings. Here we go. Environment variables. Please tell me I have a Java home. I don't see a Java home. Hola. Thanks for dropping by, Nero. Minecraft. with an M. Winecraft is what my boys do when they play. You didn't do it right. Let's see. Winecraft. Actually, I think there's a plugin where yeah, there's a plugin I played that actually will allow you to make wine. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new one. Call this Java Home. This needs to point to my JDK directory, which is back here somewhere. Java JDK, so here, this one. Copy address. And, sorry, I create my own sound effects. Oh, where did that go? La 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 la. Here we go. Paste that in there. That should be good. Yeah, hopefully we didn't. Now the thing is, I don't know if it's going to pick up that environment variable in this shell yet. So Nero asks, what kind of plugin I'm developing. For those of you joining late, this is we're going to try and create a plugin or a mod for Minecraft that adds in. Well, it'll actually be a it'll be a mod pack when it's done, and I'm going to post it up on I blanked technicpack.net as a downloadable pack that will mimic the gameplay of Terraria, but in a Minecraft world, so it'll be like Terraria 3D. So we're going to see how much of that we can actually get in. And that should walk us through all the different things that you can do with a mod, starting from the easiest to the most extreme, which is, getting into like the game mechanics and stuff like that. So we'll see. I don't know if we'll be able to find enough information to do the heavy stuff, but I know we'll be able to do a bunch of the items and the ores, some of the blocks and things like that you find in Terraria. That even some of the crafting stations like a sawmill. So if you're not familiar with Terraria, you don't go check it out. I think it's actually free. Let's see. While we're waiting for this to finish. Oh, let's read ahead and see if we can preemptively strike against anything else. Yeah, got that, but without the bin at the end. Yeah, got that. Yeah, when the downloads and decompiling of Minecraft is finished. Oh, sounds like it's gonna pull down Minecraft for us. Yay. We have to create a workspace for either Eclipse or IntelliJ. I don't use IntelliJ because I didn't buy it when I could have. So I use Eclipse, which you saw I downloaded earlier in this video. So then we'll run that. At that point, that'll set up the workspace, so we don't need this step, and then we'll continue on. So let's go see. So Terraria. I know there's a PC version, I just don't know if it's free anymore. Oh, it's on Steam. Oh. Yeah. Let's see. I'm not logged into Steam right now. Let's see what it says. Ooh, this fancy site. It's funny. The graphics on their site is better than the ones in the actual game. Let's check out their media. So here's a screenshot of it here. Oh, a bunch of screenshots. Well, they have some kind of render around this thing. The Xbox version is not this pretty. But yeah, you can see pixelated 2D stuff. He's fishing here. He's got some armor, trees and stuff. But basically 2D Minecraft. But it's got a lot of things that aren't just 2D Minecraft. It's got a huge amount of like special bosses, cool music, things like that. So like if we check out their wiki, and we'll be referencing this wiki a lot to figure out the kinds of things that we need to build or add into the mod pack which will be our code reuse section of the Let's Code. So, like maybe we'd start with, I don't know, crafting recipes, right? So crafting recipes are one of the easiest things to mod if you have the materials. So, like if you go through here in these, like adamantite, and titanium are things that aren't naturally in there. So obviously these are going to have to, these types of things are not in the world currently. So those will have to be added. Auto hammer. Yeah. So bookcase. There's actually a mod pack that allows you to add a bookcase in different styles. Maybe not exactly the same styles, but why not, right? We could add some to that. So that would be inner mod pack, or inner mod communication, which would be kind of cool to do. I know it can do it because there's certain mods that have been, for interplay have worked to work with each other. So like NEI is a big one that I use that kind of gives you all of the things that you can make with the different mods that have been loaded in. So it's nice. It's kind of like a recipe or a cookbook type thing, as a player. As in creative and stuff like that, you can use it to rapidly get stuff. It's got a nice search and find type of functionality to it. But so a lot of mods actually will write parts of their code to actually interact with NEI so that it knows how to find its stuff, which is really nice. So I know that there's definitely mod-to-mod communication available if you have the right mod. So we might be able to extend the bookcase mod, which is Bibliocraft, and add in a bookcase with the new materials that we're going to use. So that'll be kind of cool. Man, there's a lot of stuff in here. Campfires. Right now, there's no such thing as campfire. And I think, well, that's, how do you make a campfire? Campfire. A wood, yeah, wood and a torch. So these are things that are already in Minecraft. Now this says 10 and 5, so this is an issue. Because Minecraft right now, the way you build things is you put them into a grid. The way you make things in Terraria is by having a number of things available. So we might have to create a new interface to be able to create these types of things. Because this is done by hand. So maybe what we'll have to do is extend. Ooh, that could be tricky. If we end up, so in Minecraft you end up with a 4x4 grid when you're crafting by hand. What are we doing here? This is still going. We're still getting assets. Get some assets. What is this thing? I got something blinking on here at me. No, I don't. Okay. Okay. Well. Oh, sorry. I broke off in the middle of my thought. In Minecraft, you get a 2x2 grid when you're crafting by hand, like this one says. The crafting station is by hand. But the thing is you put one thing in each slot, and so that would be like putting wood in one slot and torch in another. I'm just trying to think if that makes sense or not. I think so. Honestly, I think we could just do that. If you did a piece of wood and a torch, sure, make yourself a fire. I don't think that would make that OP overpowered. And then, so then you have different torches too. So these would be other recipes. So like if you want to make an ice torch, ice torch, comma. Oh, so here's all the different torches. Ice torch. Crafted by combining standard torches with ice blocks. Sure, we can do that. Why not? Some of these other ones, not so much. Not yet, anyways. So that's kind of what we're building the mod to do, is it's going to do all this stuff. What else? What other kind of stuff? Oops, too far, back up. Crystal ball, demon altars, which you find randomly in the world. Dye vat, so this is a workstation. Flesh cloning vat. Furnace we have. Glass kiln. Interesting. Heavy workbench, we don't have that. We don't have a hell forge. Whoa. Honey dispenser, honey, so we'll have to find out where we get honey. Ice machine, obviously don't have that in Minecraft right now. I'm doing station, so I'm wondering if this is the same thing as like our enchanting desk. A couple different anvils. Iron anvil is what's in the game currently. Lead anvil's that. However, their anvil is a workstation. So that's interesting. So this is where we might want to change some game dynamics as well, because so these are the different things you can make at an anvil. So maybe what we do is we take these recipes out of your standard workbench and put them into an anvil, an iron anvil. I don't think we want to touch the existing Minecraft anvil. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, lightsabers. Whoa. I'm excited about that. That'll be cool. Lightsabers in Minecraft. Awesome. Space gun. Sweet. So we definitely have to have meteorite bars. That'll be cool. Blade of grass. Jungle spores. Stinger. Ugh. So much stuff you can make. And this is just one of the crafting stations. So this is where it's different than Minecraft, is that there's so many things. From a keg. What do we make at a keg? Ale. What else would you make? Crystal ball. What do you make here? Lava fall block. Okay, well, this is gonna take a while to finish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break stream right now, go grab a bite to eat, and then pick up here in a little bit after this is finished. All right, thanks for watching. We'll be back in a little bit. Bye bye.